Retouch Pro AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. Retouch Pro AI has just dropped, and if you're serious about improving your photo editing workflow, this tool is one you definitely want to check out. But what makes Retouch Pro stand out? And why should you care? I'll be breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software to make sure you're using it to its full potential. Stick around till the end, and I'll even share where you can try this software for free. Now, before we dive in, if you're curious about trying Retouch Pro for yourself, you can get started absolutely free through the first link in the description. But trust me, you'll want to see everything it can do before jumping in. So, what's the deal with Retouch Pro AI? First off, Retouch Pro is designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, giving you AI-powered tools to make retouching faster, more efficient, and surprisingly accurate. If you've ever spent hours editing portraits or product photos, this software will save you a ton of time and effort. One of its standout features is its automatic skin retouching. Using AI, it detects skin tones and automatically smooths out imperfections while keeping natural textures intact. If you've ever tried skin retouching in Photoshop, you know it's not easy to get a natural result. Retouch Pro handles this effortlessly, saving you the frustration of manually adjusting every detail. Next, there's the object removal tool. We've all been there, trying to remove an unwanted object or person from a photo. It usually requires a lot of time and effort. With Retouch Pro's AI-powered object removal, you simply highlight the unwanted element, and the tool does the heavy lifting for you, seamlessly blending the background. Another crucial feature is the AI enhancement for portraits. Retouch Pro analyzes the photo and automatically enhances details from the eyes to the hair, creating a polished final result. It's like having a professional editor right at your fingertips without needing any prior experience with editing tools. One feature that I really appreciate is its batch processing capability. If you're a photographer with hundreds of photos to edit, Retouch Pro allows you to apply edits across an entire set with just a few clicks. This batch editing function is game-changing for photographers or anyone who needs to process a lot of images quickly without compromising on quality. Additionally, Retouch Pro offers advanced color grading tools. Whether you're looking for a classic, moody vibe or something vibrant and modern, the software's AI will analyze your photos and suggest the best color adjustments based on the mood you want to convey. It takes the guesswork out of color grading, leaving you with results that are consistent and visually appealing every time. One feature that might surprise you is the integration with other editing tools. Retouch Pro allows you to export your images directly into software like Photoshop and Lightroom, so you don't have to completely switch up your workflow. It blends in seamlessly with the editing tools you already use. Now, what's the catch? There's one thing to keep in mind: Retouch Pro is still a relatively new tool, so there might be a bit of a learning curve for some users. But once you get the hang of it, you'll find that it really does streamline your editing process, especially when you need to finish a project in a tight timeline. In conclusion, Retouch Pro AI is a must-try if you're looking for an all-in-one AI-powered editing tool to take your photos to the next level. Whether you're an amateur or a professional, its automated features like skin retouching, object removal, and batch processing will make your editing faster and more efficient. Plus, you can try it for free through the link in the description. I've personally tried thousands of AI software, and Retouch Pro stands out for its ease of use and powerful features. And don't forget, I've included my top AI software recommendations in the description. Check them out and find the right tools for your creative needs.